Hello everybody to the new episode of our Weld Lounge. Welcome Dr. Sharma. Our topic is health and safety in welding. Welding is a technology on the one side, on the other side, manual welding is a tough job. We have this health and safety hazards. It's absolutely necessary that we have improvements here. What's going on in the R&D scene? How does this affect also fume emissions? There will be no compromises regarding quality.
There are also new developments. It is still necessary that we know how the mechanical properties of the welds are. This has to be investigated.
What's needed is really the cooperation here between welding power source manufacturers, wire manufacturers, the gas companies and the research institutes. What's recommended? Extraction at source. What does it mean?
That is also part of our research. Is there any influence on the weld quality?
That's still the biggest fear of the welders. It's too heavy, torches are too clumsy, I cannot see where I'm welding. In the industry, also a lot of things have been done.
We also have to know how high is the level of fume exposure.
That's a good development that now we have this IoT, Industrial Internet of Things. You know, it's a 100-year-old technology. Why do you need any research?
One important point is the possibility to show welders the current level of fume emission of the processes.
And of course, he would be alerted that I'm now on a critical path. We need welders, and if we don't find welders, we will have a problem in our industry sectors.